So this lesson is about automated installations. Before we start having a look at the different solutions, I want to start with a quick overview. So which automated installation solutions are there? Well, there are many of them. If you automatically want to deploy virtual machines, there is Vagrant. Vagrant is pretty useful and is used a lot in the data center, but it's not a part of RHCSA. So I'm just going to mention what needs to be accomplished while working with Vagrant, and we are not going deeply in it. Then, if you are in cloud environments, there's Cloud Init and other cloud-based templates. And these templates apply a profile to the default cloud images that are provided to make sure that you can deploy Red Hat Enterprise Linux in cloud in exactly the way you want it to. But this also is not included in RHCSA. Then there is Kickstart. Kickstart is, so to say, the classical solution. It can be used with a Pixie boot server to provide instructions for automatic installation of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So the Pixie boot server is a DHCP server typically. The DHCP server that provides access to an installation file. So instead of giving you just an IP address, if DHCP works together with the Pixie boot server, you will also get an installation image, which allows the installation to start automatically. Now, if you start an installation automatically, normally you need to provide answers. And these answers are provided by the Kickstart file if you are using Kickstart. And that is what is making Kickstart very useful. So the Kickstart file contains all instructions that are required to set up a RHEL instance. And it can be easily used to reproduce installations. And as an administrator and also for RHCSA, you need to know how to work with a Kickstart file, which means that you need to know a little bit about its contents and how to use it in a setup scenario. In the next lessons, you will learn more about it.